in fact, with mental disorder and mental disease as a whole, right? Things like apophenia, pareidolia, hallucination, psychosis, schizophrenia, they're all predicated on two senses. One is the sense of hearing and the one is the sense of vision. Disinhibited, they are sort of removed from these conditionings, and they're also removed from these phonological
conscious emotions, personality and motivation, goals and drive. But subliminals in and of itself,
because it seems like statistically the numbers have been falling.
Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation.